concern.
Nakadaw ka jingkiw jong kikams new cybercrime. Tnat Pulit Meghalaya kalawan ra ya kasnat Treikam cyber wing Kababiang. Kabandon ha police headquarter Shillong. Haba pentip halor kani ka Director General of Police Meghalaya ikong Ida Shisha Nongrang ilaong bakan salong kaway na kisnat Treikam baki Pulit kin pai kman bat kin pintik na baka jingpin Treikam yaka kan urlong no shen.
Are you looking at?
Yes, we are looking at cybercrime. In fact, we had one of the things which I had requested the government is, proposed to the government is for a cyber unit, a cyber wing in fact, and the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister have been gracious enough to give us the go-ahead on that. That would be one of the things that we would be focusing on and ensuring that it comes into being very soon.
Ya ka media workshop bala ay kerteng ka vartalap lapan